Lucian Duskbane. He's a vampire who lives in a magnificent castle. One day he saw a man and called out to him, but the man was very scared and ran away. Lucian chased the man, but the man managed to escape. Lucian stopped in the middle of the road because he lost track of the man. Because he was tired, Lucian stopped to rest first before continuing to search for the man's trail. After resting, Lucian continued searching for the man.